Hi, Glenn here from GMT Pointing Specialist Limited. Right, this is a chimney that I'm doing. Right, this is sand and cement here over lime mortar, which is here. What will happen now is this pointing is that hard, it keeps all the moisture in the chimney and it just helps rot everything. So see if it pushes through. So that's just getting the cement out. See that? All rotten. See that just pushed through then. See how it disappears? Because it's rotted everything behind. Just destroyed everything. Try again. It just turns everything to powder, and that's gone straight through the chimney. So when you're going to do all the chimney as well, it can weaken it, so you have to be very careful. And this is quite a tall chimney, this. It goes up, keeps going up. What's this, 10 foot? Yeah, close to 10 foot tall. So don't put sand and cement on old chimneys. Don't put sand and cement near anything old. It was built with lime, so you put lime back in. So I'll do it at a 1 to 3 mix with sharp sand. I won't use any soft sand, and I especially won't use any building sand. Don't use building sand with lime. There's too many impurities to it. Any questions, just give me a message. Thanks. This is the side of the chimney where I put the pick through the wall. Unfortunately, the chimney had to come down and was rebuilt. Used the same bricks. I've used like this is a brown Boris sand, very sharp, gritty, so it'll allow the moisture to come out of the chimney. Most chimneys are wet anyway, but this chimney had been lowered as well. It's a shame about the pots they used, but never mind. So it's looking well. So that should be up there for a good 100 years, hopefully. Lead's got to be put in yet. Roofers are coming to do that. But sometimes if you botch it in the past with cement, you cause no end of problems in the future. So if the building was built with lime, always rebuild or repoint in lime. Don't ever use a cement. It doesn't matter if somebody tries to talk you into it. Do your research. Find out if it's lime built, put lime back in.